In the United States alone, 1 in 6 people get sick from eating contaminated food each year. The Center for Disease Control and Prevention estimates that foodborne diseases cause illness in 48 million people every year, causing 128,000 hospitalizations and 3,000 fatalities. The official food screening procedure established by Food and Drug Administration to detect pathogens in food products are reliable for ensuring food safety, but these methods are time-consuming, which forces the food industry to hold their products 2 to 5 days. We are developing a germ sensing instrument with a disposable sensing microchip for detection of pathogens in dairy products in Shift. A significant innovation of our biosensing chip is its ability to concentrate and trap pathogens using the electrophoresis technique. The device is based on antibody-antigen reaction mechanism with impedance measurement and is designed to detect multiple pathogens simultaneously. This technique reduces cell culturing time required by traditional microbiology approach to just a few hours.